Do you want to learn how to research thousands of products without UPCs or ASINs all in one go? Then stick around to the end. I spend around $50,000 a month on goods from my number one supplier. They have a price list with around 14,000 rows of products in them. Now, the issue is only 9,000 of those rows contain UPCs. So I can easily scan them and see which ones are profitable on Amazon and buy those products. The other 5,000, which is 35% on the entire list, don't have any UPCs. So I'm forced to do manual product research on them, and that takes forever. Now, my orders, if I could look at those products viably, could be 35% larger every single month from this specific supplier. There hasn't been a scalable solution to this until now. Let me show you how it works. Astro Advanced Analytics has developed this new AI feature where it gets your title, not the UPC or the ASIN, and it finds the viable ASINs for that title. It uses AI to verify that the ASIN is correct, and it gives you a score to tell you if it's correct or not. So this over here is a typical price list with no UPCs. There's an item number or a code, in this case, a SKU. There's an item description. It tells you what product it is. There's a cost, and in this one has a discount cost as well. But just check out the item description for a moment. It has a brand name and it has a description of it. It has the size, it has what type of variation it is, the type, it has all these types of detail. This is how it works. All you need to do is click on scan, and you want to grab your price list and just throw it in there. Now, instead of using the ASIN or the UPC to match it, you want to use the AI title match. We're going to tell the AI title matcher to use this item description and this cost to find the products and tell us if they're profitable or not. So all we really need to do is click on this and then say which columns are the identifiers for this product. So some price lists might have various columns for various things. So like it might have a column for the brand name, it might have a column for the title, it might have another column for the size. If it has many columns, you just add all the columns into this upper section over here in the scan. This specific price list only has the item description, which contains all the information. So we're going to tell it to look at the item description. Next, we're going to add our cost, item number, and we're going to add the title for the product. And we're going to hit upload. Now, here are the results. This is the results from the list that we just uploaded. Now, if you're using Astro, what you want to do is you want to grab this column and this column, the confidence score and the AI match decision. Now, I just brought to the top all the ASINs that Astro thinks you should automatically approve. You know that instantly that these are the right ASINs. So you look at this one. When you hover over the ASIN, you get a lot of details on if the product's correct or not. So this upper part is all the ASIN's details. You have the full title name, the brand name, the ASIN, and the UPC associated with it. Now, the bottom part is the supplier descriptions that we uploaded to Astro. This middle part is telling us if the product is correct or not. So notice the confidence score. Astro is very confident that this is the right product. It is telling you that it's an auto approve, and it's telling us that the brand matches, the type matches, the variant matches, the size matches, and the pack matches. So it's very confident that using this title that this is the right product. And you can keep going and checking these out. You can see Axe Black deodorant 5 ounces. So we have all the information we need, and it's verifying that this is the right product. Now, again, it's verifying the product without the UPC. And you can see all these ones here. This one here, for example, is an 8-pack. It's telling you, we've noticed that this is an 8-pack, but it's not diminishing the score. Even though it's an 8-pack, it's still the right product. You just have to buy 8 of them if you want to sell this product. And you can see all these. Now, if you want to go on the opposite spectrum and see the ones that aren't that certain that they're the right product, we can, of course, filter for them. You see all these over here, they need a review. They got a low score. This one got a 62% because the brand matches, the variant matches, but the type is different. It tells you the information you need to know to make an accurate decision. If you want, you can just discard all the ones that need review. You can just say, hey, just filter them out. I don't want to see them. So I can come over here and say, AI match decision, just show me the ones that equal auto approve. And let's apply that. So now we're looking from the 13 or 1400, these 352, Astro is very confident that these are the exact matches of the products that we just looked for. Now that's just one application of the AI title match feature that Astro has. Are you ready to see the even bigger one? The one that's going to democratize the way we source products? I'll show you now. Just click on any product, for example, and I'm going to bring up the AI vendor search. You can do this your own way, of course, but all I really want to do is bring up a retail website. So I'm going to bring up this one here, Vitacost, and I'm just going to open that up. All right, so what do we have here? We have a bunch of products. You can see them all here. As you scroll down, more and more come up. Now, all I'm going to do, I'm going to bring up a free extension tool called Web Scraper. I'm going to click on that. You can just go ahead and download it right now. What it does is it pulls a lot of these data points off of that and it can put it on an Excel spreadsheet. So notice that it's got all these data points. I'm going to click on this to download it as an Excel spreadsheet and I'll show you what we got. This right here. So you can see all the things you need to see, but all we really need to do, all we really need to see is this right here. We have this column right here called data and the price. The rest is not really needed. I'm just going to delete the rest. And I'm going to show you how this works. I'm going to delete that. Like I said, all we need is the title or the product details and the price. Everything else is going to go. We're going to keep the image in there and I'll show you in a moment why it's real important. Now the price, sometimes when you download it from Web Scraper, the price gets a bit mixed up. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to remove that dollar symbol because sometimes it downloads it as a text. So I'm going to click replace and I'm going to replace the dollar symbol with nothing and just remove it basically like that. And I'm going to just basically copy it and repaste it there as a value just to make sure that it doesn't get mixed up. All right, so cool. Now it's a number. All right, let's go ahead and also, might as well also just convert it to a number. All right, nice. Now I'm going to save this and we're going to upload this list to Astro. Again, we're going to do the AI title match and we're going to match the columns correctly. So AI title match, which is this column here, which has the title. Then we need the price, which is already in there. And let's also add the image just to be able to confirm if the product's correct or not. So I'm just going to add the image right there. Let's go ahead and hit upload and just wait for this. We uploaded just under 50 products into Astro using the title match feature. Now, it usually brings between 2 and 5 results for every title you upload. So a lot of times you might upload one title and get 4 or 5 results. Each title, when we do it, it consumes AI tokens on our part. So it's not a free feature. It costs 1 cent per title to upload. So these 50 would have cost just under 50 cents because it was around 48, I think. Now, we got a lot of results. If we wanted to see the results, we can just simply click on here. Let's check out the profit. Let's see how profitable they are. So we can see all these products and we can see their profit instantly. Using this tool, I was able to find all these types of products over here and I can see how much money they're going to make. So some of these products might be absolute guns. And this is just based on 50 products. What if I uploaded 1,000 or 2,000 products? I could spend 20 bucks, but the results that I could get by analyzing these products that people don't analyze, they go unnoticed. People pass by them because it's too hard for you to actually focus on. If used correctly, this feature has massive potential. Go to the right retail websites, the websites that people aren't going to. Run a scan. A lot of times these retail websites don't have UPCs on them. Pretty much 99 times out of 100, they do not have UPCs on them. Go to those websites, scan them using Web Scraper or any other web scraping tool that you have, grab those products, that list, and just throw it into Astro's AI title match feature. Find those ASINs. Other people aren't looking at them. Some of these ASINs sell in crazy volume and people are really struggling to source them up until now. So the two major features or the two main ways that you can use Astro's AI matching tool is one, by looking at your price list that your suppliers have that do not have UPCs. And the other one is by scraping retail or even wholesale websites that don't have UPCs on them. There are many times where you contact a supplier, even a wholesaler, and they say, we don't have UPCs. Check out our PDF catalog, for example. It's not that hard. All you need to do is convert it to an Excel spreadsheet. Even if it doesn't have UPCs, convert it to an Excel spreadsheet. Maybe if you don't know how to use a converter, just throw into ChatGPT or any other AI tool and ask it to convert it to an Excel spreadsheet. From there, you just throw it into Astro and scan it. I hope you got value out of this video. If you did, please like and subscribe. If you want to have access to me or to Astro Advanced Analytics, check out the description below where you can find my Telegram group, and you can also find a link to Astro Advanced Analytics. I hope to see you guys in the next one. See you guys later.